Hey everyone, welcome to another demonstration of using FreeRTOS and tasks. So we have 3 tasks, 2 of them which you can see right here. We have the blue LED that is running every 250 milliseconds and it toggles an LED. And then we have the red LED that is toggled every second. And then our third task is basically an almost continuous task that is printing out to the console the count that this task has incremented. And these two are the higher priority tasks. The blue LED is the highest, the red LED is the second highest, and this is the lowest, meaning this can always be preempted when its time slice is over and if these higher priority tasks are ready. The tracing of the system would look approximately something like this. We have task 1, which is the highest priority task at the beginning. It completes its task very quickly, and then the next highest priority task is task 2. It then executes and then it sleeps for a second. Meanwhile, task 3 is by default the last remaining task to execute, and it keeps executing until there is a higher priority task that needs to be done, which again happens to be task 1 250 milliseconds later. And again, these dotted lines are 250 milliseconds, which is the frequency at which we see this one, the blue one, executing. Task 2 executes every second, which is the frequency we see it execute at here. And lastly, this is, I believe, every 10 milliseconds, which is the frequency at which we see the count value incremented by 1 on this console. The tracing of the system would look approximately something like this.